Hi students, welcome to Computerized Accounting lectures. Series of lectures we released for understanding the computerized accounting very well without any help. So we explained about computerized accounting, stock, maintenance, reports, voucher entry, MIS reports like that. And also we explained about how to create company, how to create groups and accounting groups and lectures, how to create inventory. And now we are discussing about voucher entry, specifically with live examples. We are going to discuss about voucher entry. What are the slides I prepared to explain to you for voucher entry is so this is a question which I am going to take as live example. Question number 26 from our question bank. And these steps already we earlier lectures we discussed these 9 steps. These are all the steps we have to perform according to the availability of information. Creation of company, creation of account groups, creation of ledger accounts, creation of units of measure, stock items, godowns, stock groups, voucher entry. Then the final is output, that is report generation. Right. So with the help of that question we are divided like according to the stepwise. We are going to create a company named Vimal Textiles Hyderabad. And in this 26th question, groups are not required. That's why we are not creating groups. And in that transactions, we had to create accounts. These accounts we have to create, ledger accounts. First one is ledger account, next one is group, under which group we are going to create. This is capital accounts, bank accounts. Okay, see the first transaction. First transaction is started business with cash 2 lakhs. So entry is cash account data to capital account. Cash already created by Tally, capital which we are going to create under capital accounts. Under capital accounts. Right. So capital is a ledger account, capital accounts is group. Next deposited into bank, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, this is ledger, this is group which is already created by Tally. Purchased building is account, fixed assets are group. Like that according to the transaction we created these ledger accounts under such groups under multiple create mode, multiple creator. Voucher entry, and before voucher entry, okay, so there is no need of creation of units of measure, stock groups, stock items, godowns, because in those transactions, these are not available. These are not available. That's why we are avoiding this one. Immediately voucher entry. Immediately voucher entry. Vouchers are selected according to the transaction. If any amount is received, that is a received voucher. If any amount is paid, that is payment voucher. If any amount is, no amount is paid, but transaction is there, that is journal voucher, like that. Okay. Then after that we are going to generate reports of accounts. Those are trial balance, profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Okay. Just a moment. Look at the problem number. This is the problem. This is the problem number which we are going to understand voucher entry. These are the steps. These are the ledger accounts which we are created. And next step, last step number 8, voucher entry, we will understand this. Okay. I am opening Tally. Education version. Alt F3 for creation of new company. Create company. Vimal Textiles Limited. Address everything you can go according to your wish or according to the information. Books beginning and that already explained in earlier lectures. That's why I am not going in deep. For entry purpose only I am creating the company. Now voucher entry. Accounting vouchers. Right. So take the transaction, take the voucher. First transaction is started, business with the cash. Right. Started business with the cash. It is receipt voucher F6. Before that, what I have to do? I have to create ledger accounts. I will go for a creation of ledger accounts. Accounts info, ledgers, multiple create. Right. These we are going to create. All items. All items. First one is a capital. Under capital group. Next one is bank. Under bank accounts. Next one is buildings. Under fixed assets. Next one is furniture. Under fixed assets. Next one is purchases. Under purchases accounts. Next one is Mr. Avinash. Under sundry, creditors. Next one is wages. Under direct expenses.
మీ టేబుల్ మీద లేదు
సతీష్ సార్
ఆ రూమ్లోనే ఉండాలి సార్ అడగండి
salaries, under indirect expenses, discount allowed, under indirect expenses, discount sales, under sales accounts, Shekhar, sundry debtor, I think, interest, under indirect expense, income, discount received, under indirect income, newspapers, old newspapers. Under indirect incomes. That's all. Without entering this, it is not possible to pass vouchers. Okay? Now accounting vouchers. Transaction wise, we will start this one. Transactions are given in this. Okay. First one is started business. Receipt voucher. Cash account data to capital account. Capital is credit. Amount is 2 lakhs. Amount is cash. So entry is buy, cash is in buy, in the sense cash account data to capital account. Business started with the cash. Next, deposited into bank, it is contra entry or contra F4. Deposited into bank, bank account data to cash account. Amount is 40,000. Bank account to bank. So in this voucher, we can select only 2 items, that's all. Not more than that. We cannot cash deposited into bank. Paid for office building, 5,000, furniture 10,000. 2 transactions are there, we can made into 1 transaction. That is a payment. F5 payment, buildings account 50,000. Again take by furniture account 10,000. Amount is paid to cash. Right. Assets purchased. Purchased goods from Avinash. That is purchase voucher F9. As a voucher, okay, control V or as a voucher. 201. Amount is Avinash. Amount 10,000. Avinash details we have to enter. Amount is 10,000. We don't have any stock items. Directly, it won't ask anything, okay? It is asking, but we don't have any information. Goods purchased on credit is the narration. Next, paid wages and salaries. Payment voucher F5. Wages. So 2 we can pass in 1 voucher. Wages amount is 2,000. Here we have to take by the sense salaries 10,000. Amount is cash. Right. Okay. Next, amount paid to Avinash in full settlement of his account. We are paying amount, journal entry usually Mr. Avinash account data to cash account to discount account. Avinash amount due is against reference. Yes, against reference. Avinash amount 10,000. To cash 9,500. To discount received. Discount received 500. Sold goods to Shaker, sales F8. Take it as a voucher. as a voucher. Give the reference number 101. Avinash Shekhar account data. Shekhar amount is Shekhar details. Amount is 15,000. New reference 101. And to sales account. We don't have any stock information. Narration is goods purchased, goods sold on credit. Okay. Next, interest received on bank account. Contra entry F4. Bank account data. Receipt voucher, okay? F6. To interest. Amount is 500. It is credited in bank. Check details, other information for record purpose it is asked. Received from Shekhar after discount of 500. Shekhar amount is 15,000. We received 14,500. Receipt voucher. Mr. Shekhar. Mr. Shekhar is 15,000. Against reference 101. And cash 14,500. Discount received. Allowed, discount allowed. Discount allowed is loss for us. 1,500. Narration will be amount received from Shekhar after discount. Sold newspapers and sold old furniture. So in one receipt voucher, we can pass these two. Old furniture 4,000. Two only. Newspapers, old newspapers 450. And Y is cash. Cash. Simple, very simple. The thing is you have to understand the software, how it is working. Voucher entry is over. Okay. Now we go to reports. What are the reports are there? Reports are trial balance, profit and loss account, trial balance, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. We'll go to tally. Tally. Maximize this one. Escape. See. Trial balance. Display. Trial balance. 2,16,450. Alt F1 for detailed information. There is no difference. Okay. Then go to profit and loss account is on display menu only. Gateway of tally only. Profit and loss account. Gross profit is recorded. Gross profit 3,000 due to more expenses are there. That's why loss is 6,050. Then balance sheet. Profit and loss account. Loss is mentioned in asset side. Usually we will do in company accounts, asset side. Fixed assets are very clearly, and debtors, cash in hand and cash at bank. There is no debtors, no creditors, because Avinash and Shekhar accounts we cleared with by allowing and receiving discounts. That is a voucher entry. Okay, so you have to, these reports already we generated. Reports we already generated. Now what you have to do? You have to note down the problem first. Later see my slide, which you are on that slide. Later steps, understand the steps and note down what are the ledger accounts you have to create under similar groups. After ledger accounts are noted on paper, again open the software Tally like I opened and create your own. While creating, you have any doubt, refer this video. Okay, that will be very benefit to you itself. And one more thing is, these entries, voucher entry is very important. Whether you debited, software will take debit. Whether you are credited, software will take credit. If you are mistaken, software also do mistake. Then your reports will be generated in wrong. That's why this voucher entry is linked with the accounting types and rules. Receipt, what comes in will be debited. You see in third transaction, what we did, purchase of invested in buildings and furniture, we purchased that one. So our voucher usually will be buildings account data, furniture account data to cash account. We passed payment voucher by debiting buildings and furniture. Why we debited buildings and furniture? Because assets are coming in. According to which rule assets will be debited? Under real accounts, what comes in will be debited. And cash is credited because cash is going out. Okay? So, and look at the interest, bank interest received. Cash account data or bank account data to interest account. Original entry is bank account data to interest account. So what we did, interest is credited. Interest is credited. Why interest is credited? Because it is nominal account. Under the nominal accounts, what incomes and gains are credited. That's why we credited nominal account. Now we credited interest. Old newspapers also income. We credited old newspapers because it is according to the nominal account rules. Clear, students? So whenever you are going for voucher entry, before that you have to create ledger accounts under particular groups. After creating the ledger accounts, when you are passing the vouchers, you have to understand accounting rules. Accounting rules are personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account, what comes in will be debit, what goes out will be credit. Nominal accounts, expenses and losses will be debit, incomes and gains are credited. Can you remember our salaries entry? Wages and salaries, we passed in one entry only. We debited wages, we debited salaries. Why we debited? Ask yourself. Salaries and wages are expenses, comes under nominal account. According to the nominal account rules, all expenses and losses are debited. That's why we debited salaries and wages. That is the logic. So, for correct information of correct accounting reports, we have to pass voucher entry correctly. What to be debited, we have to debit. What to be credited, we have to credit. If we mistaken, then the report will be wrong. Suppose I pass, instead of salaries account data to cash, if I pass cash account data to salaries, it will be recorded as income. Cash will be more and my profit will show more, double amount. Earlier, compared to the earlier profit, my profit will show more amount. So that's why it is better to integrate accounting rules with the transactions. Okay, students. Any doubts you can put in chat box and comments column. Subscribe this. When you press the subscribe, whatever the updates you can get whenever I uploaded video, and whenever you have a doubt, you can clarify your doubts in live classes and try to upgrade your knowledge. By following these videos, become expert in this maintaining of computerized accounts. Computerized accounting is very important at present situation because every organization is using this software, either Tally or whatever it may be, either Tally or any other software for maintaining the computers, maintaining the accounts online. Okay, students, take care, stay safe, and upgrade yourself. Bye. Thank you. Thank you very much.